Thursday, fireworks go on sale in Sacramento County, so the Bee sent 6 riders, assorted friends and family, plus 2 dogs to a South Sacramento fire station to blow these suckers up and tell you what's worth buying this year. We gauged the ooh factor for sheer visceral pleasure, the boom factor for the assault on your hearing, both from a scale of 1, a dud, to 5, spectacular. Jack of Hearts from TNT, $5.99. Length of show, 45 seconds. Ooh factor, 4. Boom factor, 4. Good vertical height on this, a large blast radius, and a nice color variety. It's a party in the box, but stand back. Flaming Heart Fountain from Phantom, $21.99. The length of the show, 45 seconds. The ooh factor, a 4. The boom factor, 8.5. Our judges said, the heart was on fire with nice jet rockets. It vaguely resembled a birthday cake. The color transitions were impressive, but the lack of a boom was a letdown. Jackpot from TNT, $17.99. Length of show, 1 minute 40 seconds. The ooh factor was 3. The boom factor, also 3. This one whistles while it works and provides a rainbow, although one reviewer said it sounded like a dying cat screeching. King of Bling from Phantom, $9.99. Length of show, 1 minute 40 seconds. The ooh factor, a 5. Boom factor, 4. This one's worth more than 50 cents, or 50 cent if you want to go the hip-hop route. It has a nice mix of colors and goes out with a bang. Delirium from TNT, $39.99. Length of show, 1 minute 47 seconds. Ooh factor, 3.75. Boom factor, 5. A great start, intense colors, a good mix of sight, sound, and visual effects. But it may not be worth the price tag. Supernova, TNT, $34.99. Length of show, 2 minutes 5 seconds. The ooh factor, 3.5. The boom factor, 3. Both of our dog reviewers howled, but another judge said, it's just a Nova, it's not super. Laugh Out Loud from TNT, $12.99. Length of show, 1 minute 20 seconds. Ooh factor, 2.5. Boom factor, 2. The spooky face that lights up is a highlight, enough to make you chuckle to yourself, if not laugh out loud. Dragon Tears from Phantom, $16.99. Length of show, 1 minute 47 seconds. The tear factor on this one is excellent, as it cries you a river before exploding. The ooh factor, 3.5. The boom factor, 4. Hasta la Vista, baby, from Phantom, $14.99. Length of show, 2 minutes, 1 second. The ooh factor was a 3. Boom factor, 3 as well. Opinion was all over the map from the judges on this one. One said it was like watching grass grow. One said it was very nice. And one said it blows a lot of smoke, just like our governor. The Komodo 3000 from Phantom, $39.99. Length of show, 4 minutes, 4 seconds. Ooh factor, 4. Boom factor, 4.5. One of the longest consumer fountains available. Because of its size and duration, expectations are high. Our reviewers thought it lagged in the middle, but nearly everybody loved the big finish. And that concludes the 2007 Sacramento Bee fireworks